Big leaks from John Deere. The upcoming 2025 John Deere pickup truck is getting a total makeover. John Deere is bringing some exciting updates to keep this full-size pickup fresh and competitive. Whether you're working hard in the fields or heading off-road for adventure, this truck is built to handle it all. Let's explore why this beast is a game-changer, the big return. John Deere is back in the truck market for the first time in over a century, and they're not holding back. This new 2025 model combines the ruggedness John Deere is known for with modern sophistication. And for the first time, they're offering a hybrid engine option, showing their commitment to sustainability without sacrificing power. Exterior design. Let's talk design. The 2025 John Deere pickup truck is bold, muscular, and ready for any challenge. From its aggressive front grille to the high-strength steel bed, everything about this truck screams durability. It's designed to handle the toughest jobs while looking great doing it. Interior luxury. Inside, it's all about comfort and functionality. Premium leather seats, a spacious cabin, and cutting-edge tech make the John Deere pickup just as luxurious as it is practical. The bio-engineered leather of the ergonomically designed seats, which has 20 adjustment settings and a massage feature, is stain and wear resistant. It is possible to convert the back seats into a mobile office with a pull-out workstation and wireless charging capabilities by folding them down to uncover a hidden compartment. You've got a 12-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, built-in navigation, and even wireless charging. Whether you're on a long haul or a quick trip to the store, this truck keeps you connected and comfortable. Power and performance. Now, let's get into the real meat of this beast, its performance. Under the hood, you'll find a 6.7 liters turbo diesel V8 delivering 450 horsepower and a jaw-dropping 900 pounds-ft of torque. And for those looking for even more power, there's a plug-in hybrid version that pumps out 971 horsepower. Whether you're towing, hauling, or going off-road, this truck has the muscle to back it up. The hybrid model's potent engine allows it to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 4.5 seconds. Field Adaptive Ride Technology (FART). Its cutting-edge suspension system provides a comfortable ride on a variety of surfaces, including rough fields and roads. Towing and payload capacity. When it comes to towing, the 2025 John Deere pickup is expected to be a top performer, competing with the likes of the Ford F-250, Ram 2500, and Chevy Silverado 250 HD. While exact figures aren't confirmed, you can expect it to tow massive loads and handle serious payloads with ease. Competition and pricing. Speaking of competition, the John Deere pickup is going head-to-head with some heavyweights: Ford F-250, Ram 2500, and Chevy Silverado 250 HD, but with a starting price around $55,000, John Deere offers a serious value for a truck packed with power, luxury, and tech. On farms and construction sites, the Gator came to be associated with toughness and adaptability, which frequently had a pickup truck-style box bed, demonstrated how John Deere is always changing and adapting to the needs of the automotive industry. Release date. Mark your calendars, because the 2025 John Deere pickup is hitting dealerships in late 2024. It was officially unveiled at the Commodity Classic Trade Show in Houston, and the buzz is real. This truck is set to change the game for those who demand toughness and reliability. The groundbreaking 2025 John Deere pickup combines power, performance, and innovation to create a vehicle that is more than just a truck. It raises the bar for what a pickup truck can be with its cutting-edge features, futuristic appearance, and remarkable performance. This environmentally friendly machine is likely to wow, whether you're a farmer or an automotive enthusiast. That wraps up our first look at the 2025 John Deere pickup truck. With its blend of power, luxury, and innovation, this truck is more than just a workhorse. It's the future of heavy-duty performance. Let me know in the comments if you think John Deere is about to dominate the truck market. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on the latest trucks. Visit www.eve-riders.com for more auto update and review. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.